What's up, everybody? Hope everyone's having a better day than yesterday. So I decided to go to the Apple Store and jump on the bandwagon, pick up this little box of fun. I got the Mac Mini with the new M1 chip. I got the base model, which is the 8 gigabytes of memory and 256 gigabytes of storage. You can upgrade to the 16 gigabytes of memory with the 512 or 1 terabyte or even 2 terabytes of storage. But I decided I'm just going to pick up an external hard drive, and I will explain a little later why. I've been using Apple computers since about 2006, but this is the first Mac Mini I've ever owned. And to be honest, it was the price that really got me to go for it. It is normally $699, but you can go to the Apple Store right now, click on the Mac Mini link, and it'll be on the home page that you can go to the education store and you can get it for $679. Save yourself $20. I mostly use it for basic web browsing, checking email, and composing documents, but what I like most about it is the ecosystem ability to get iMessages through my iPhone, iPad, and also the computer. If you're looking to get into the Mac OS side of computers, then I think it's a great starter given the price. Here we have the Mac Mini in its new packaging. Go ahead and put it off to the side. See what else we have in the box. Some paperwork. Looking for the sticker. And in this one, you get a larger silver sticker. Find another place on your fridge to put that on. Go ahead and also included is the power cable. And that is it. That's all that's in the box. We'll set this off to the side, and then we'll go ahead and try to open this up. See what's on this Mac Mini. Okay, here we have the back of the Mac Mini. Go ahead and peel this off. It is very satisfying. I am not going to lie about that. There it is. Comes off. And here we have the back of the Mac Mini. Comes with 2 Thunderbolt USB-C ports, HDMI, 2 USB-A, Ethernet, and the power as far as power button. And it also comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Coming very useful. There it is. That is it. Nothing more. Okay, here it is, all set up. It comes with macOS Big Sur pre-installed. I started using Final Cut Pro to edit some videos, including this one, but I went with the 90-day free trial, which is available to everyone. As you can tell from this video and the previous one that I posted, that I am still in the very early learning stages, but hey, that's okay. It's originally $299, but it comes included in the Pro Apps bundle through the Education Store for $199. I will place that link in the description below. Safari has some new features and it responds fairly quickly, so no complaints there so far. Creating these short videos has taken some space on my computer, which is why I am going to invest in an external hard drive or an SSD, as well as the USB-C hub to plug into one of the 2 USB-C ports, the Thunderbolt 3 ports, in the near future. That is all for this short review from an average user, and please let me know if you have any questions about the new Mac Mini. Well, thank you very much for watching and have a great day.